Fellow natural health and natural healing enthusiasts, I want to share something with you that I share pretty much almost probably every trip that I ever take, especially cruises. But there's a superfood nutritional supplement that I always take with me. I have it when I'm at home, I have it when I'm traveling. Whether I'm traveling or not traveling, it saves time, it saves money, and it also has a huge convenience, especially with the saving time aspect of it. And the convenience part especially, and the cost too for that matter, especially comes in when I'm traveling and I'm on a trip somewhere, and it travels through airport security just fine. You can check it or use it as carry-on, and it comes in a bag in a powder form. And I'm not going to tell you what it is in this live feed because there's always legalities and compliance issues that change over time, so I want to make sure this video is always relevant. And if you want to see what it is, just private message me or comment, and I'll just put the link right here in the comments or in private message, whatever you want. And you can look at it and see if it's something you want to incorporate into your daily life. It just makes everything easier. It saves lots of money and saves lots of time. Huge convenience. Traveling or not traveling, I've always got it with me. It goes through airport security just fine. And also, it has a home business opportunity to it. So there's an optional residual income attached to it. Residual income is necessary. Maybe 1 out of 50 people have it. It's not a very good ratio, but it's the type of money that protects you and your family from what? From a job that might get outsourced or no fault of your own. It's gone, or a tough economy, the winds of politics and economic change that always happens. It protects you and your family from all those things. Now, some people, I get into this natural health and nutritional supplements. Some people will take advantage of that option. Others will just do the nutrition aspect, and they're fine with every other aspect of their lives. So it's up to you if you want to do both or just one or the other. But just ask for the link and I'll send it to you. You can do your own research, look it up, look at the ingredients, and see if it's something you want to incorporate into your own life. So I never want to neglect sharing that, ever. So feel free to share this, and I'll talk to some of you guys soon that want to know more about it. Bye for now.